Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave. And today I'm doing something that I usually don't do. I'm actually making a review video for a special product that's coming out, and it is the launch. So I had to make this video. This is going to be a limited offer. So please make sure you do check the link in the description. I'm going to hop on my screen and share with you guys a little bit more. Okay, guys, I'm here on my screen. And before I go ahead and actually share with you this review, I do want to give you guys some results. So I'm not just talking, I'm getting into it. I want this video to be short, concise, and why I love Ben Fletcher's products. So yes, I'm going to be talking about a product that's called Super Affiliate U. Okay, this is a review for Super Affiliate U. So if you're looking at this, I hope this makes sense for you guys. I'm not the usual affiliate marketers that, keep talking about different products. I actually do review videos only for Ben. For some reason, I only do it for Ben. So he gets the best from me, and there's a reason for that. I'm just going to show you my results for one of his products that he's been doing. I am an affiliate for it. I've done over $1,000, almost $2,000 in sales, $1,159 in commissions for specifically this vendor. So Ben Fletcher, I love him. I'm really enjoy speaking to him on a daily basis. I'm connected with him on Facebook, connected with him through email, and I'm a very happy affiliate. So that's why I want to be talking about specifically his products. So like I said, I've done over $1,000 in commissions just with him. So I know that the products do work. I personally use the products as well, basically affiliate marketing on crack. And there are a few reasons why I like Ben Fletcher. So before I go ahead and actually share with you this product right here, so let me go ahead and talk about it in a second. This is for newbie affiliates specifically. So if you're a new affiliate marketer, this is going to be useful for you. I'm going to go through the sales page in a second, but I want to give you my experience about Ben Fletcher so that you guys understand. It's not just that, yes, I'm an affiliate, yes, I'm getting good results and so on and so forth, but there's a few things that are very important for me to mention. One is that he is one of the few, very few in this space. There's a lot of hype, there's a lot of BS, there's a lot of exaggeration and claims that you're going to make a lot of money and so on and so forth. But Ben is a little bit different, guys. He is very authentic, he is very real, and I resonate with a lot of things that he has to say, because not only is it the right way to learn how to do affiliate marketing, and in fact it's one of the reasons why I get good conversions, is specifically because I am able to implement his strategies. So first and foremost, he's doing it very realistically. It's not the hype. It's a product that you can take, or it's training that you can take, digest, and apply. If you don't apply, you won't get the results. It's as simple as that. So you're getting realistically everything to make you an affiliate, a super affiliate if you want. So this product specifically, let's go through the page. So as I said, it's called Super Affiliate U, and it costs $15. I'm just going to tell you straight off the bat. Costs $15. Ben Fletcher himself is an affiliate marketer first and foremost. He creates these products as an advantage for you guys to learn. Okay, so that's personally why he creates it. But he is a super affiliate himself. He's doing it for a long time. I'm going to show you some results, but this is his product. As you can see right here, he created a low ticket product, which is $15. When at the time of when it gets starting, it can go to $97. So grab it when it is at a lower price that you can see right here. Okay, that's the beauty of it. And the best part about Ben, by the way, is that there's a 365-day money back guarantee usually for all of his products. So think about that. You have an entire year to see whether it makes sense or doesn't make sense. It works, it doesn't make sense. As you can see, affiliate marketing is a fast moving business. You really need to know the right strategies. You can see that the searches are there. He talks about it on the sales page. These are his results, as you can see. He keeps getting these. I have seen a week in and week out these commissions coming in. Even he, because like I said, I follow him as well. I know that he is doing it. I'm on his list. I know that he is teaching what is shared here. Plus, I've gone through the program as well, and that's why I'm telling you that it makes sense. And one of the things that I highlighted here is that affiliate marketing isn't luck or magic. It's a skill. This is one of the main reasons why I personally relate to him, because it's a skill set. This channel, Tips with Dave, was created specifically to help with paving the way for dreams to come true, using the skills that we are in online marketing, in other things, and so on and so forth. So that's why I'm so passionate about the fact that he says this, because it is the truth. right? It's not luck, it's not magic, it's a skill. The moment you learn the skill, you can skip from all the wrong things and just become focus on the right things and become a pro affiliate by doing that. So that's one thing that you wanted to see, I wanted to share with you. But these are realistic results that exist on multiple platforms. It's not just Warrior Plus. He does JV Zoo, and he has his products quite a few places, right? And 95% of the affiliates lose because of different loopholes. So there are a few things. Now you can see that there are crucial non-negotiable must-haves that you have to have. 7 sites that you can use, which are there are many benefits to it. I'm not going to go through all of it. There are going to be 3 ruthless questions to ask and determine if you're going to sell well or not. See, he's preparing you before you actually launch. Guys, with affiliate marketing, you need to know two main skills. One is advertising and the other one is copywriting. This combines both of those two things together. It's teaching you a holistic approach of having the checklist done, having everything done before you get started, before you send traffic, before you look things, before you spend any money. A simple 1-minute task you must do before you promote every affiliate marketing. This will save you a lot of time, cash, and frustration. Because yes, we do talk about paid methods. Yes, we do talk about free methods, right? So this is something that he's created. And as you can see right here on top, it's not just a media. There's going to be a manual plus video training. This is cool because yes, the training is there, but the manual is something that you can have, you can always go back to. And I personally love Ben Fletcher's PDFs. He's known for his PDFs on these manuals. So this was pure. This is really good. Let me just scroll down and actually share with you more. So there are multiple things related to traffic, as you can see right here. It's not only about make money online, by the way, it's about any other niche as well. As you can see, 6 factors to have a successful viral campaign in any niche. This is important because you're learning how to become a true affiliate marketer with this product. Okay, yeah, I mean that's definitely this, and there are upsells and everything else. So let me go ahead and actually share that with you. You do need to be if you want to also be an affiliate for this product, you can be an affiliate for this product as well. You need to get an approval, and you can see right here he shares how you get an approval. Getting approved as an affiliate when you have very or little no sales or little or no sales is almost impossible these days. This is very true. Even Ben Fletcher himself hardly approves members unless they personally, I have a way around it, which is where I bought something and then I want to become an affiliate, right? So that's how you can start to do it. I'm in the top 25% on Warrior Plus, which is also the reason why I pretty much get approved, but it is hard to get approval. So this is going to help you. Your purchases are backed by, as I said, 365-day 100% full confidence money back guarantee. This is something that not many people offer. They'll offer 30 days, 60 days, 90 days even, but 365 days money back guarantee is something that you're not going to get anywhere else as well. So yes, you will get the manual, which is 143 pages. You'll get the video training as well. And that's everything that's there. As I said, Ben Fletcher's been doing this for a long time. He is amazing. I resonate with so many things because he has ADHD as well. And yes, he's still doing this. He's still doing it, guys. There's nothing to stop you. And as I said, I personally using his products, I've made $1,159 sorry in commissions alone just from his products. Okay, so by far worth it. Let me go ahead and actually share with you. If you become an affiliate, this is the JV page itself. If you become an affiliate, I want to show you what all you get. So the whole funnel exists in a specific way. So maximum as an affiliate, you can get 155, but forget about the as an affiliate. I want to show you exactly how the funnel is, right? So this is how the funnel is, and I'm telling you upfront that yes, this is $15, but then there are upsells, there are changes, there are other things that's there. So, and I want to go through it so that you understand. So yes, it is a $15 one-time payment where you do get a manual. The second, then there is an auto bump of high ticket commissions, which is a $20 product. Now, let me show you something. Okay, let me just show you something, how amazing he is as an affiliate marketer, but as a product owner, as a vendor also, because, and this is not just me hyping it up, because when you are creating products for yourself, you shouldn't be launching new products every single month. He's adding to his existing products. So let me share that with you. Okay. He's adding to his existing products. It means that he's giving you an additional product. So I'm going to open 2 pages. Okay. I'm going to open affiliate marketing on crack, which is Ben Fletcher's as well. And then I'm going to open this video training as well. So let's go ahead and look at this. These are 5 products: affiliate marketing on crack, sorry, high ticket commissions, automated income assets, underground traffic sources, and head start profits. These are the 5 products that exist. What happens here? Can you see that there's only 6 products? There's literally just 1 product added on top of that. So you have everything here, guys. You get the super affiliate, which is the new product. The second is the high ticket. Then the third is head start. Then is automated. Then is the another breakdown. This is something extra that's there, and the underground traffic. So the only thing that's missing here, the only thing that he's changed up is commission bully. He's put here, which he doesn't have in the affiliate marketing on crack. He does have it in his products on his website, but so it's not a new product. But these are all products that he's had already, that already work, that have, you know, testimonials, that have people who have trained with them. I personally am training with them also. So it's a lot of interesting stuff that's right here. And he also maintains and changes the pricing based on different elements. If he adds more things to the fun, if he adds more elements to the training, etc. Which obviously, if you've got the training, you don't have to spend in anything. But as an affiliate, that's really cool, because now the price of the training is increased and you're using that to, you know, make these sales. So just wanted to share with you those 2 things. So that's what you're going to see. So the first upsell is head start profits, which is also updated, as you can see. This is also updated. So the automated income assets is also updated. Commission bully is also updated. And these are the entire thing. So there's going to be the launch, guys. I'm going to put a link in the description. This is a special link for you in case you are interested to get this product, which is called Super Affiliate You. Now, obviously, if you do want to work with me personally, the bonus that I want to share with you, and this is, I don't really do bonuses on my videos, guys. I really don't share. Like I said, this is a special review that I'm making for specifically Super Affiliate You. So maybe you guys want it, maybe you don't. I want to make sure that my video is out there, and I wanted to do a review before it is launching. So I personally, because it's Ben Fletcher, let me just be frank with you guys, because it's Ben Fletcher, because I'm using it, and because I've used other products as well, it is the reason why I'm promoting this product. Now, that being said, I am also going to be sharing with you. If you want to build a funnel for yourself, the only bonus that I would say is I'm going to leave my Facebook group in the description. If you do get this product, this is very important, please listen. If you do get this product, please message me in my Facebook group and say that you've come through the YouTube video with this specific video. If you can, just, you know, put the name Super Affiliate You so that I know, and I will start to help you also building an entire sales process when it comes to automating the business. And then obviously you follow the strategies within the training to be able to succeed after that. I hope this video made sense. And like I said, please do not waste time and focus on actually learning these skill sets. So I don't really do review videos, guys. I don't really do extra, you know, videos of new products, but today I just had to. The launch is tomorrow, or at the time of when you're seeing this video, the launch will be today. But I'm sharing this video and the link is in the description. If you want to get it, check it out. It costs only $15. So it's really up to you whether you want to get a new product, which makes sense. Guys, have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.